All right, international trade. I don't know the reading number. Question number 6. Which of the following statements about cost and benefits of the international trade are most accurate? So you have to recollect certain things over here. Number one thing over here is that generally the benefits are greater than the cost. So when you start trading with the other countries, the benefits are more than the cost. Now, what are the costs? The cost is going to be when you start importing, the domestic industries are going to have a trouble, because earlier they were the king of your country and now they have to compete with the imported products. So from that perspective, it will increase the competition and hence the domestic industries are going to have a trouble. For example, मुझे नहीं लगता मतलब टाटा मोटर्स को which company is it? नहीं इलेक्ट्रिक वाला Tesla. So if Tesla comes in India, which they are planning, I don't think so it is going to create much competition to Tata Motors, because they are going to sell at a price band of 40 lakh, 50 lakh or much more than that, which is called as the premium car segment. Whereas Tata Motors, Tiago, Nexon and ये सब 15-20 लाख के range में आता है. So I don't think so if Tesla comes, Tata Motors will be much impacted, but still it would be impacted. So if Tesla, foreign company starts, I mean, it's allowed to sell the products in India. So we allow imported electric cars. The domestic Mahindra and Mahindra electric cars and Tata Motors electric cars to some extent will get impacted. So that's the cost. But consumers are going to have significant benefits. Governments will also get a benefit because government will be able to collect that duties, tax. All right. So in general, the benefits are higher and the costs are quite lower. Okay. Only few cases were discussed that import restriction should be there, and those were in the case of infant industry and defense industries. So over here, which of the following statements about them is most accurate? The cost of the trade are greater than the benefits. Wrong. You had mentioned that the benefits are much greater than the cost. Consumers will be happy, government will be happy. So in that case, benefits will be much more as compared to the cost, and hence we should allow imports, exception infant industry and defense industry. So option B was wrong. Increase international trade benefits all groups, not all groups. They benefit consumers, they benefit governments, but they do not benefit the domestic industries. Tata Motors will get hurt because of the Tesla. So it does not benefit all group. It does benefit consumers. Sorry, it does benefit the consumers. It does benefit the government, but the domestic industries will have to compete with the imported products, so they do not get benefited. That rules out A. The cost of the trade primarily affects the domestic industries, so that was the answer. Tata Motors will be impacted because of Tesla. Mahindra and Mahindra will be impacted by Tesla. So the answer was C. मेरे ख्याल से C option was easy. B option में थोड़ा सा you might be thinking etc. But B, I mean C option, if you would have looked at it, it was easy. Let me check the answer. As I said, I have not checked the answers. It was 17th reading 17 international reading. Which was the question number? Yeah, it was C. Any doubts? Just let me know. Any doubts with any options? Online class or raise hand? Yeah, yes, yes. Bolo. Yes, yes.
So I was just asking about the deadweight loss. मतलब the cost तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना?
वो अलग है. अगर हमने import को restrict किया, he was talking about deadweight loss. So if you are going to restrict the import, in that case, the producers will be happy. Okay, the basically the basic government also would be happy because they will get a tariff, etc. Okay, but consumers are going to have a significant loss. So that extra loss of consumers is called as deadweight loss. So that is when the import is being restricted. यहाँ पे वो नहीं था, यहाँ पे जस्ट इन जनरल पूछा था कि ट्रेड के वजह से किसको बेनिफिट होता है, कंज्यूमर्स को बेनिफिट होता है, गवर्नमेंट को बेनिफिट होता है, बट डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज सफर. Shall clear?
Yes sir, clear. Thank you.
Correct.